It's 2003 to 2006 Chevy GMC wiring information for trucks and SUVs. Underneath each seat you'll find two different connectors. This is for the seat functions, this is for the airbag. The seat functions are all controlled with these two wires. The orange power is hot, orange is power, black is ground. It's hooked up to a standard jump pack here. Forward, backward, forward tilt, backward tilt. The lumbar and bolster also function off the same connector, as well as the recline, which you can't see as the seat is tipped back. The wiring is the same for both driver and passenger side. Power is in pin A. Ground is in pin S. They're easily distinguished by the size and color of the wires.